Welcome to this Innova Systems web snippet on the Compare Geometry tool. So in SolidWorks we have a comparison tool which can be found under Tools Compare. In this case we're going to compare geometry. We're going to select our reference document, take that document there, and then we're going to select another configuration of that same document. So we come to the browse, select our document, but rather than clicking open or double clicking on the part, we change the configuration that's going to be opened to the new one and hit open. And SolidWorks temporarily creates a second part which has got the suffix of the configuration name. We want to compare the geometry, and in this case because it's the different configuration, I know my parts are already aligned, but I could potentially align my parts against a particular coordinate system so that the binary compare works correctly. I'm going to click Run Comparison, let SolidWorks work that out. And what's highlighted here is a volume comparison, and it's the common volume between my original part and my new improved configuration of it. We can also have a look at the material that's removed, so we can see that this back plate was removed and also some extra material from the bottom was removed in these grooves. And we could also see the material that was added, in which case we added on the back of our drawer and we also filled in the holes again to the drawer. We could also do a face comparison rather than a volume comparison, in which case we can see that there are 4 faces which haven't changed at all between the two parts, which is the outside edges of the front face of my drawer. We can also have a look at the unique faces, so the insides of the holes are unique, and also the front and back of the various back plates are unique. And finally we can have a look at the faces that have changed. Now this should be everything else, so as you can see most of this part is yellow. We have a choice to save a report of this, or change the options, which is mostly the colours and things like that for this feature, and we can also go back in order to change exactly what we want to compare or the files we want to compare. Thank you very much for watching.